Kel-Tec sub 2000, a 9 mil, chambered for 9 mil. Except for that, it had the Glock as well. And it was pretty damn accurate. I was taking out clay pigeons at 200 feet with open sights. It was absolutely unreliable for stovepipe. It wouldn't extract. And you pull the trigger and it fires.